Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we got another episode of Simple and Effective Tech. We got the electric hand warmers. Now you can pick these up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $20. All right, so let's get right into it. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my
White shoes. Calm down. Now I'm going to make this video as quick as I can because this is a simple and effective tech product. Now it's a cold front in New York City. I don't know where y'all live at, but in New York City, it is freezing cold and it's about to be even colder this weekend. This hand warmer right here is so clutch and this has saved me so many times. Let me show you what it looks like. Now here's the website, Amazon. Okay, now you see I got this on December 12th. Okay, $20 on this. This is the textbook definition of simple and effective tech. I use these every day. Let me show you how they work. Okay, first let's unbox these real quick. Okay. Comes with the usual books and shit. Here's a quick look at the specs. Now the battery capacity is 3,000 milliamps. You charge it USB Type-C. Okay, the charging time is 4 hours. Okay, it takes 4 hours to fully charge these up, and you could run these from anywhere between 8 and 20 hours. Okay, now they weigh 66 grams. Okay, 200 grams altogether. Okay, now it comes to the usual books and shit, plug them and follow them. And one thing that I like about this, check this out. It comes with a dual USB Type-C charger. Let me show you how this works. So you plug one end in to your portable battery charger. Let me grab a portable battery charger right here. Portable battery charger. You plug it in, just like that. And you see, it has two cables. So now you're just gonna plug them in just like this. Bang, and bang. And you see, this is how you charge them up, 100%. All right, so let's take a look at these. Now I went with the white color since I already got black. And here it is. Now, the reason I'm making this video, this is gonna be simple and quick. I hate gatekeeping products, okay? When I find a product that really works, I like to share it with y'all. Even if it's something small and cheesy like this, if you live in New York City or you live in the Midwest where it's freezing cold right now, you're gonna want these, okay? Check this out. Now, they connect just like this. You see? Connects just like this. Now watch this. If you tap the power, let's see. Now these might be, okay, there it is. You see you put them on 1%, 2%, 3, 4, and 5. That's maximum charging. I mean, not charging, maximum heat. Now, if you pull these out of your pocket and you want to go straight to maximum heat, hold the right button, and it turns on to 5% automatically. Okay, 5 is maximum heat. Now watch this. Let me see. I got a heat gun right here. I'm gonna leave these on for a second. Okay, and the good thing about them, it shows you the battery percentage. Okay, let's see. I forgot how to do that. Let's see. Hold it. All right. Turn these on. Okay. You see, I switching between. Let me see. There's a way to check the battery. Let's see if I hold these on. Oh, there it is. Okay. Double press on the right. You see 100% on each. Yeah, double press on the right button. Okay. Now these are already getting hot. Now I'm going to leave these on maximum heat. Let's see. Put these up to 5 and 5. Watch this. Now I'm gonna grab a heating gun in a second so you can see, let's see. Now they already heating up. Again, this is just a quick video, but trust me, okay? Trust me. Now here's how I use these. Sometimes I'll leave them like this. If I gotta do something, I'll leave them like this and I have them just in my hand like this, and this is getting hot already. I'll leave them in my hand like this. Matter of fact, I'll turn these off just so you can see the difference. All right, so I'll leave them in my hand just like this. So if I got my phone in this hand, this hand is warming up. But what I like to do is when I got my hands in my pockets, hold them like this. Just hold these in your pocket like this, and you're gonna feel your hands warming up. And every time I'm shooting a video right now, when I'm down here, y'all can't see me behind the camera, but I got these in my hands. Ever since I got these, because it's kind of cold down here in my basement, I got these in my hands, okay? So now, let's grab a heating gun real quick. I'm gonna show you something. Okay. All right, check this out. You see the temperature on these? 76. That's off, right? I had them on a little bit. 74. Now look, our shoes. Here's the ones that's on. 99, okay. Look at that. Let's check the inside. Same thing, 96, 97. Okay, now the inside of this, you see it's a little bit cooler. But check the outside. Outside temp. Look at that, over 100. 107. Look how hot this gets. Now I'm gonna show you, watch this. Okay, now these are off. Okay, 65 and 63. Now we're gonna turn these on. We're gonna do this in real time. Turn them on to 5. Okay, now you see 75, right? Now let's wait. Now I'll do this in real time. I'm not even gonna edit. Let's let them sit for a couple of minutes. Not even a couple of minutes. So it's maybe about 2 minutes. Look at this, 118. This is getting hot. 119. Let me put it in my hands again. Ooh, nice and toasty. Nice and toasty. And the good thing, look at the other side. You see? It's not gonna get too hot on the other side. So the other side is regular temperature, 45. 45. But when you flip them, look at the temperature. Okay? Over 100. 110. 109. 109. Crazy, right? Now let's see the black ones. Look at that. 120. 120. Bro, you see how fast these heated up? And super hot. Super hot. You see, it only heats up on the outside. The inside is going to stay cool. So again, like I said, put them together like this, and now you're getting heat on your fingers and your hands. That's why I needed 2 sets of these, because now I'm going to have it like this. One in each pocket. So now I get the fingers and the palms warm. Ooh, nice and toasty. Look at that. Now, I'm saying it like y'all can actually feel it. Y'all can't feel it, but look, these instruments don't lie. The instruments don't lie. Put them back on the table. Look at that. In the 100s. In the 100s. Crazy. All right, so simple and effective tech. I'm getting ready to go to dinner in a few minutes, and I was getting ready to pull these out and put them in my pocket, but I said, you know what? Let me share them with my YouTube audience, because for $20, man, there's no reason to be sitting outside going like this, all day. Some Mr. Miyagi type shit. No reason to do that when you can spend $20 and get these, okay? And again, double press, and you can see the battery. All right, 76 battery on these. Okay. And these was on 100, still on 100. Nice and, super hot. Look at this. This is hot. Let me see. Yeah, look at that. This is hot. Look at that. Now I put this on 4, leave it on 5. Look at that. And this is the kind of stuff I love. I love simple products that actually work. Okay, simple products that actually work. And the best thing is, when you finish, you turn them off, and you can charge both of them together. If you only got a single charger, you got to charge one and wait for the other one to charge up. But it comes with the dual charger. Okay, so charge them both up at the same time. Let them rock. So I'm going to leave this one charging. And when you go to dinner, when you're sitting in that Uber, okay, or you're waiting online somewhere, you just have these in your hands like this, okay? And look at this. Y'all like to hold it like this. Have your palms nice and toasty. But if I was you, I would just buy 2 of these, and this way you can have double up like this. This way you get the fingers and the palms toasty at the same time. Again, simple and effective tech. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. And let me know if y'all like these kind of quick videos where I just show y'all some random Amazon finds. Oh, and let me show you one more thing. Let me show you how to take this to the next level. I got this right here. Hold up. Let me just grab it. I should have paused the video before I got it, but hey, it is what it is. Check this out. Now, y'all remember I reviewed this in the summertime. From Torres. Okay, y'all remember these? The Torres, the neck fans. Now, in the summertime, neck fans, they're not the best because, they only blow the temperature of the wind that's outside. So if it's hot outside, the air coming from these is not going to be ice cold. But the best thing about these neck fans, let's see if this one charged up. Let me grab one. Oh, look at it. Yeah, this one is charged up. These neck fans also have heat. These neck fans have heat. Now, a lot of times when I review these products in the summertime, the neck fans, I just glance over the heat part because it's too hot to be having this shit around your neck in the summer. But in the wintertime, this heat right here around your neck, bro, put this on in your bed, okay, when you're just trying to chill, and have these in your hands, and you are going to be nice and warm and toasty. Anyway, simple and effective tech. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.